Alright, so we have assembled the engine onto the gearbox, so we're almost there to start the reinstallation process. So I've gone and applied the drop gears. Now there is procedures in which you need to follow and measure everything to make sure all the clearances are fine, but like I said earlier, the customer wants to put it back together as is, and that's completely fine. I have measured it. It is got a little bit of tolerance between a couple of the gears and stuff, but we've all noted everything down and everything's documented. So I'm just going to go ahead and just start the reassembly process. Once we've pretty much got it assembled, I'll then start to reinstall the engine. So let's get to it. that's it, guys. That's the engine installed in the Morris 850. So tomorrow I'm going to go through, we're going to start reconnecting everything. Once everything's reconnected and it's daylight, because as you can see it's quite dark behind me, it's almost 11 o'clock at night. I'm going to run it, make sure it gets operating temperature, obviously put any oil in it, make sure that the thermostat's working, make sure there's no leaks as well. Once all that's done, we still need to bleed the clutch. There's a few little things here and there I just need to go through and do before I give it back to the customer. Once the car is running smoothly, we're then going to lap it around the block, make sure that everything's working fine, as well as tune the carburetor as well. So I'll probably get one of my mates to come around. He's a really good friend of mine. He's pretty good with this sort of stuff. Not that I can't do it, but it's good to introduce other people onto the channel and people who are quite knowledgeable about certain things, especially the classic minis. So guys, until next time, stay COVID safe, try and stay out of the rain unless you're in England, and we'll see you in another episode of Tomo's Tune Ups.